Okay, we just talked about formatting again, and that was to do with the rows and the columns. Formatting is just making it presented well, make sure it's all nicely done, that the font's okay, that the colours are good, that it all looks like it's just very nice and neat. So that's why you do the rows and columns. Maybe you have to sort them out. The other thing that you might have to do with formatting is just sort out the font. So here, what I would like to do, now as you can see whenever I do them, I sort them out so that they're all nicely coloured in, it's all very easy to use. So one way you can do that is, at the moment this goes across 2 cells, this little heading, so I might want to put it across the whole lot and make all of these little cells into one big one, and that's called merging. So what I do is highlight all of the ones that I want to merge together. Okay, and then I just literally go to the top here under this alignment section and just click on merge and center. So just click there and it goes into the center. Now what I can do with that as well, I could do all the formatting things. So I can do the color, so the colors up here. So for instance, if I wanted to, I could do it as a yellow, and I can put, and you notice I'm going to the little arrow to the right hand side of it, there's loads of little options for the border. So I normally put like a thick outside border, and because it's one big cell now, it's just got that text in there, and it's got a border all the way around the edge of it now. So for instance, I normally decorate the whole spreadsheet itself, so I do a white in the background, so I actually get rid of all the edging off it and then make it neat, and I just sort them out so that they look quite nice and easy to use really. So it's there you go, and there's all white all the way around. So that's a merge. If I want to, and I want to click that off and not have it all merged as one, I'll just click on it again and it will just put it back into what it was before, but it's better like that.